Hi. Today I wanted to tell you a little bit about my very own litigation practice. I was fresh out of law school. I basically did not know nothing about the practical world. And I joined a practice of a senior advocate who was working in the High Court of Gujarat. I worked for him for maybe 2 or 3 years, and I would hear constant criticism about my drafting. Now, it is not like I was a poor drafter or that my English was bad or my writing skills were bad. That is not the case. But it was just that I did not understand exactly what needed to be communicated to the judge. My senior, on the other hand, had worked in the High Court for 20 or 30 years, so he knew exactly what needed to be communicated. But because there was a mismatch between his experience and mine, I was constantly getting criticism for my drafting. This is a problem that a lot of lawyers face in their initial years in litigation. But there's a solution. The solution is to use AI. Let me show you how. So, what I want you to do is I want you to visit this incredible AI software called Claude. It's like chatbot, it's better, and it's also completely free. Once you enter Claude, this is what you need to do. You need to type this prompt. I am sharing a list of 5 drafts that were made by my senior advocate who I am practicing under. I want you to analyze his drafting style and take out key pointers. I will then share facts, and you have to draft a writ petition as per my senior's style. So basically, what I told AI was that I'm uploading some documents that were drafted by my senior, analyze those drafts, come up with the key pointers that I used by my senior, identify his style, and then when I give you the facts for my case, make sure that you draft the petition according to that style. So now all I have to do is I have to upload the drafts that were made by my senior. Now you will find this in your senior's records, right? He would have drafted a lot of petitions and a lot of documents. You can just take those. So I have these: a first appeal, a written statement, a rejoinder, a written submission, maybe four. So make sure that the documents are as varied as possible, right? So that AI gets a lot of idea. Now I'm not going to give the facts in the first go. I am just going to ask AI to analyze the drafting style. Just look at what AI is going to be doing now. So there it is. AI has finished the drafting. It took 18 seconds. AI has understood that there's a structural framework. The language and tone is very formal. It's very respectful. It's empathetic. The factual narration happens in a chronological presentation. The document integration happens from point to point. And the argument style it has added as a ground-wise approach. It talks about statutory interpretation. It has basically added all the important analysis, right? Now, what you need to do is you need to enter the facts that you have. So I have created a sample case fact. There it is. Ramesh Bhai Manilal Patel is a 46-year-old farmer. He's from Anand. The land is recorded in a government revenue record. He received a oral notice from the local Mamlatdar office, and he approached the Mamlatdar office for clarification. He was informed that the land had been declared as government land. He has given his contentions. Basically, these are sample facts that I'm using now. I'm just going to copy paste it, and I'm going to write this prompt. Here are the facts, draft the writ petition in the style of my senior and share it with me. So AI has already conducted the analysis. Now it is going to use that analysis to draft your writ petition, right? And there it is. The writ petition took exactly 4 seconds. You can see that it's drafting, it's fairly thorough. It's going to follow the same structure that your senior was following. Now, you obviously have to tweak this a little bit. You have to add your own brain as well. But this is going to really reduce the time and the output that you were putting, and it is going to reduce the errors a lot more because your senior is going to find this a lot more familiar. So if you want to learn more such tricks and you really want to make improvements in your legal career, make sure that you join our Turbocharge Your Legal Practice with AI as a Co-Pilot bootcamp that starts on the 14th of June at 7 p.m. sharp. It's a completely free bootcamp, and you are going to learn AI tricks that are not taught either by your college or by your senior. It does not matter what level of experience you are in or where you are in your career, you can learn these skills from scratch. See you there.